Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Shade and Beyond Outdoor Roller Shades. You can purchase these in different sizes, but for reference, these are the 84-inch width by 96-inch height. The color is coffee brown. The manufacturer says they block 90% of harmful UV rays, but you can look, they provide me plenty of privacy, but I can still see through the shade enough to see what's going on, and I like that. When you have the shade rolled down, they provide you these little bungee cords and these little clips. They just clip in and clip out easily, and that keeps your shade secure at the bottom. The hand crank works perfectly, and you can articulate it and move it in different directions to make it work for you. It works perfect. What I like is that people can't see in and look at me, but I can see out and look at them. Notice that this roller shade, I've got it stopped right there at the top of that rail. I didn't want this one to go all the way down to the bottom. So I've got one that does go to the bottom. I've got it downstairs. Let me take you down and show you that one. Now right here, this is the same size roller shade as the one upstairs. And you can see I get full coverage. I stopped that one. I left a little bit of a gap at the bottom there, but if I want to, I could roll it all the way down. It'll roll all the way down to the bottom. Even though I've already installed it, it's super simple. 15 to 20 minutes and you're done. It comes with a section of 2 poles at the top. You connect those together and then the fabric slides into a groove, and that enables it to roll up. Down at the bottom, they give you 2 additional poles. The silver pole right there, and that slides into a sleeve. And you only have to install 2 screws per bracket. So there's one of the brackets. Right here is the second bracket that contains the mechanism and the bar that you use to roll it up or down. Super simple, easy, and 15 to 20 minutes you have yourself a nice privacy shade, and we absolutely love it. So if you're looking at this, I hope you found this helpful.